She let me do it.
Hey y'all, hey, we are back with another wig install, and this is from Aldi here on Amazon, and they have given us all of these goodies to make sure we have a melted wig. Okay girl, let's get into it. So this wig is advertised as HD lace, 28 inch, and we obviously have 613 coloring. Everything about this wig will be in the description box, so check down below. And now let's get into this lace. As you see, the lace is real see-through, so we already know it's going to give us that melt. And they also added an extra band to make sure we're really secure. So we're going to get into toning this hair, and you can tone your 613 hair by just using purple shampoo. No need for any Wella toners, any toners at all. We can just get right into it. So now I distributed the shampoo through, and now I'm adding boiling hot water for about half or a little under half to fill this container up. And then we're gonna follow up with that with some warm water, because y'all gonna see this water was real hot, and you definitely need that warm water to back it up, especially if you're not using a sink. So you're just gonna mix that all up. We don't want any chunks because we want this to be real consistent. So now I'm dipping my wig in. Now, depending on how good of quality your wig is, it might turn purple or gray. So I was being very gentle because I wasn't sure how good this hair was, but as we would see, it passed the test. Okay, so like I always tell you guys, look at how clear and see-through that lace is. That's how you know you're going to get a beautiful melt in your install. So I'm leaving that wig in there for 5 minutes because we don't want it to turn gray or purple. So now I put a good amount of conditioner, Tresemme conditioner, in my mixing bowl, and we will be going in with that Adore Honey Brown in 48, just a good amount. Count to about 3 to 4 seconds. That's all you need. Now we're gonna mix that up real well. So this method came from Slay by Jordan, and Tasha Washa got it, and that's where I got it, and it's just gonna give what it should give. We're not gonna have those white dots on the lace. It's gonna be a little more brown, give a little more natural, as if it is growing out of our scalp. Now, hear me out. The color does look a little crazy, but this is what you gotta do. Sometimes you gotta, do some crazy things to get good results. So make sure when you're doing this, I put mine on for about 5 to 8 minutes. The longer you put it through, the more it's gonna bleed through. So if you want it up a little more, kind of like a dark rooting, then leave it, but don't put it on for too long. And as we see, it is spread all over. Please make sure you're spreading this out even so you can achieve a nice look. And as we see here, we have the perfect rooting. It didn't bleed up too much. It is perfect. And now let's get into the install. Now girlies, we're gonna ignore it's a little lopsided. I just felt lazy getting my tripod. We see the brown is there. Now I am a little darker than Tasha Washa, and I think the girl Jordan did this on. I did not pluck this unit. I was supposed to, but it's okay. Since I'm gonna go back and do more dyeing of this hair, I am just doing a simple, I'm not even putting a bald cap on. I'm literally just doing an easy, basically glueless method. I made sure my wig was really tight, and I'm just going in with a black wig cap. This is truly a hack. Like, wearing a black wig cap helps so much because it really doesn't, like, you don't see it, like, just gives it a weird neutral base. So I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna just let it play out. Y'all gonna see how I install it. I will be doing the glueless method, like I said, with just even spray, so just enjoy. I will be using the band they provided, just a clean, fresh new band, so I don't want to get any residue with my old ones on there. So let's get into it.
Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, why want you to be glad?
I'll be going in with my hot comb, pressing it. We really want a sleek middle part because tomorrow we are doing a specific look. Well, if you guys are interested in seeing more about my photo shoot and all of that stuff, please hit that subscribe button so you could see more of why I chose this look and why we're specifically doing what we're doing. So please tap into that. But yes, we want a bust down middle, okay? Like a bust down middle. So I really want this to be as bone straight. I'm gonna have to re-straighten it in the morning, but whew, it is shedding a lot, you guys. I don't even want to cut layers, anything like that. I want it to just be crispy, bone straight. Like I said, I have a really dope shoe idea, so I really want you guys to hit that subscribe button so you guys could see how everything goes tomorrow, and you could see how the video, you were here for it, so you should want to see. So back to our regularly scheduled programming.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that.
Alright, so this is the end result. I think it came out so good. I think it came out so good. I love it. It's for sure very bold, but obviously with it being so light hair and my skin tone, you know, it's going to be a little bit more of a bold look. But I think this came out really, really well. I think using that method helped so much. We also have a little bit of my foundation mixed in, but I love this so much. I think it came out exactly how it should. I'm super excited to dye and cut this hair and curl it and have a little more fun, but right now we gotta stick to our mission, one thing at a time, and then we can have fun and dye it later. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, comment what was your favorite part, if you think this ate down, if you think it's giving a Barbie. Okay, and of course hit that subscribe button if you would like to see how my photo shoot came out and how I'm going to give this hair some more flavor and some eat it down a little more, right? Because this is really like, oh, we didn't even put the hair behind the ear yet. I don't even know if I'm ready for that. I don't even know if I'm ready. Oh, it just looks so good, you guys. Like, I don't know why, but I just think it looks so good. But thank you guys so much, and bye.